Ever wondered how the famous Korean instant noodles were made? Well, let me show you the process of making this all-time favorite comfort food. To maintain hygiene and ensure the safety, production workers must follow strict protocols before entering the processing plant. This includes proper hand washing, the use of UV light, and specialized clothing. Adhering to these protocols helps to maintain cleanliness and prevent contamination of the products they are working with. First, the production team makes the broth by loading up beef bones into a processing machine. Then the machine breaks the bones into shards, and those shards fall into this giant colander. It is then transported by crane into these even bigger pressure cooker. Then, they add water to a huge pressure cooker and bring it to a boil. This method helps extract the juice from the bones, which becomes the flavorful broth for the noodles. Following that is meat processing, where the production team loads frozen beef into a slicing machine. This tool chops the meat thinly and evenly, ensuring all pieces are uniform in size. The machine then sends the processed meat to a team of individuals, who sort them according to use, as toppings or flavorings. After the meat is selected for flavoring, it goes into another machine, which slices and dices it until it's ready to be simmered and rendered for its flavor. White onions are placed into the food processor to ensure a quick and even chop. Then these onions are used to make the company's secret sauce. This specific step in the process contains a special blend of spices that cannot be revealed due to its confidential nature. The production team brought yet another piece of equipment. One of them told us that it is a machine used to siphon the rendered liquid out of the mixture. This equipment is also responsible for packaging the completed sauce efficiently and quickly. The ramen sauce packets go through a machine that disinfects the entire batch, ensuring its safety and quality. It's now time for the dried vegetables. For me, this is the most ASMR-inducing place in the factory. Just listen to those machines. The dried vegetables are packed and ready. To make sure their ramen noodle is full of flavor, this factory adds concentrated chicken stock, something few other places do. This allows them to provide a delicious, unique tasting noodle that you won't find anywhere else. Now, it's time to combine the flour with the liquid ingredients. This machine guarantees that the flour and other ingredients are thoroughly blended together. After the ingredients have been blended, a machine is used to knead the noodles to get the perfect thickness for each individual batch. So this machine is responsible for the distinctive curly cuts made on the noodles. Following their cutting session, they will be taken through a hot brine water zone that will initially cook them. The partially cooked noodles are divided into bowl-shaped trays for portioning. This machine has a cooling system that directs a gentle breeze over the noodles, protecting them from any potential harm. This safeguards the noodles and makes sure they are cooled to perfection. Unfortunately, it's not possible to show you the process of dehydrating noodles as the machine is quite large and hazardous. However, this is what the final product looks like when they are done being dehydrated. In this section, noodles are passed through metal cylinders that are placed above them to cut away any extra noodles. The noodles are ready to be packed, and both the sauce and dried vegetable packets are being prepared for packaging too. With impressive precision, this machine is skillfully layering the sauce and dried vegetable packets atop the bed of noodles. With remarkable efficiency, the instant ramen noodles have been swiftly packaged in what seems like the blink of an eye. Despite the near perfection of the machines in the factory, the human touch is still essential to ensure the highest standards. The instant ramen that meet the quality control standards are carefully grouped into sets of 4. Each destined to be packed as a single unit. Rigorous monitoring by skilled personnel is continuously maintained to guarantee that only the finest products make it to the hands of the consumers. Finally, at the culminating stage, the instant ramen are expertly boxed and made ready for distribution to your local grocery or supermarket. As we leave the instant ramen factory, we hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the craftsmanship and dedication that goes into making this beloved comfort food. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and also for watching the amazing process of how Korean instant ramen is made. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.